Hello, I'm gonna replace the HEPA filter for Tesla Model Y. So we open the bonnet. We open the bonnet. We remove the little tray. So it's a bit hard. We'll just pull it by hand. It's just poppers. Place it here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. We need to remove the 4 bolts. It's a little bit hard with one hand to move some of the stuff, but you have the light here, that 1, 2, 3 poppers. And I just slide it in. And I'll just leave the phone for a second. We have also the 1 push pin, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts. I'll just place the phone for a second. So we have the bolts all removed, covers coming up. Place the bolts here, and that's your filters. It just pops out. They have directional flow. 1, 2, and that one is a little bit snug. You need to wiggle it. Same here. And I bought this one from AliExpress for 25 quid. I could not find it in the Tesla shop in UK. So they just pop in the same way. They're a little bit tight. One filter. And you just have to see the airflow. Just slide in easily, and then you have to just do the same thing. Put the cover, the bolts, and just place it nicely. Yes. And that's it, and you put everything back together. Thank you for watching.